Kuya? Kuya. Don't worry.
Oh, ang ganda.
Ganda ka. What I really like about you is I really feel like you bring that energy in the room na if anyone needs a good laugh, you're gonna be there.
What I really like about you is how you calm me down, especially during the challenge. Like how you were talking to me when I was shaking.
Overthink ka na naman.
I felt so calm.
Ang pipiliin ko po ay si Easy.
Mahalaga po sa akin, nakaduo ko po si Ralph, kuya, kasi sa lahat ng tao dito sa bahay mo po, siya yung isang tao na pinagkakatiwalaan ko talaga.
May go-confess ako sa duo. Easy. I hope you see yourself as smart, as beautiful, as talented as I see you are.
All the voices that I could hear, I was just listening to yours.
It just comes naturally to me to always bring up my partner so we can show how good we are as a duo. Was someone that I really enjoyed my time as a duo with. And grabe din siya mag-support. She's been there through everything. She's been a constant here in my stay.
Feel ko if hindi ko naging partner si Ralph, nagwawala na ako sa labas. Umiiyak na ako ng sobra-sobra. Pero since partner ko si Ralph, mas kalmado ako, like, keeps me safe. Gusto ko din po talaga maging malakas para sa partner ko kasi si Ralph po kuya, kung hindi po siya yung naging partner ko, siguro hindi pa rin ako okay ngayon. Proud of you.
Josh and Ralph, your duo is nominated this week.
And there's also AZ who also understands me and also has been there for me through a lot. What do you think, sir? Can you start from here?
You have just been evicted from the Big Brother race.
Laging nandun si Ralph. Makita niya lang na hindi okay. Nababasa niya po kasi talaga ako, kuya. Nandun siya, kuya. Love you, Ralph.
Love you, Dave. Doon po talaga ako nahihirapan, kuya.
Nalaban po ako, kuya.
Are you looking forward to this?
You guys stay. That's all. Waking up on Sunday with you guys.
Answer! Easy and Rivers, you are safe tonight.
Kayo ay bahagi na ng Big Four ng edisyong ito. AZ at River, congratulations! Bahagi na kayo ng Big Four.
Oh.